Hey, I'm back. But it's been so long, you probably don't remember who I am. I'm Cavalier. I run Core Globe, a fursuit making company that specializes in fun shapes, and I've been around for a while. I haven't stopped making in the time since I've been away. I've recorded every moment of it, months of footage. Commissions, conventions, and personal fursuits. 3 years of projects, literally hundreds of hours of footage. So if you do me the honor of subscribing, I'd like to show you what I've got.